Attention all Lightworkers, Indigo children, Starseeds, all that good stuff, highly sensitive people. Today I just want to encourage you to be your authentic self, to speak your truth. Understand that you are here for a reason. I always say this, you guys. It's no coincidence that you are here, that you are even stumbling upon my videos. Take every information and DNA download and use that to help the collective, to create, to expand, show others how to use their gifts, collab, you know, help each other on a daily basis to grow and expand. We are in a time of a shift that's taking place right now where everything is about love, about higher vibration. And honestly, don't sleep on that. Don't sleep on yourself. Don't sleep on expanding your consciousness, because you either get with the program or you get left. So don't resist change. Don't resist growth mentally, spiritually, physically at this time. Again, you're here to be uniquely you. So don't underestimate the power that you have just by being uniquely yourself. There's no right way to be spiritual. There's no right way to be you. There's only thing you can do is be truthful and honest to yourself. Understand that duality exists, so you don't have to be always a good human being in order to make change. Allow yourself to be free, and you will leave a mark on this world. Whether that's through art, whether that's through paintings, whether that's through going through the matrix. As usual, navigate this shit to work in your favor, and you will inspire others. But yeah, that's just my little message today, you guys. Honor you and honor your truth. Be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.